It's a new 2018 Ford F-150. Smart enough and tough enough to stand the test of time, the F-150 is a leader at the job site. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated steering wheel, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and V8 engine. The Car Connection explains, make no mistake, every square inch is detailed to cheat the wind to make it easier to extract every possible tenth of a mile per gallon from a classically styled pickup truck. Ford, where tradition meets innovation. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Whether you're buying today or just shopping at Metropolitan Ford, you can expect to experience something truly unique. Call or stop in today. We're conveniently located near 494 and Highway 5 in Eden Prairie.